Have you ever stopped to ponder how much digital marketing has reshaped the world of business and consumer behavior? The digital landscape is an ever-evolving terrain, bearing witness to the rise of innovative trends that have the potential to redefine marketing as we know it. Take a moment to consider the story of Glossier, a beauty brand that rose from a simple blog post to a billion-dollar company. Glossier's success is a testament to the power of content marketing, a trend that has dominated the digital scene for years. It's not just about pushing products anymore. It's about providing value, building trust, and establishing a brand personality that resonates with audiences. Now, let's shift our gaze to the realm of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence has been a buzzword for a while, but it's only recently that we've begun to see its true potential in digital marketing. Case in point, Spotify's Discover Weekly feature. By using AI algorithms, Spotify curates personalized playlists for its users, leading to increased user engagement and loyalty. This is targeted marketing at its finest, fueled by the power of AI. Another trend that's rapidly gaining traction is the use of AR and VR in marketing campaigns. IKEA, for instance, uses AR to let customers visualize how furniture would look in their homes before making a purchase. This not only provides a unique shopping experience, but it also helps reduce the likelihood of product returns. Voice search, too, has been making waves in the digital marketing sphere. With the rise of smart speakers and voice assistants, brands are now optimizing their content for voice search. Domino's Pizza, for instance, allows customers to order pizzas via Amazon's Alexa, a seamless integration of voice technology into digital marketing strategies. And let's not forget the rise of influencer marketing. A great example is Daniel Wellington, a watch brand that leveraged Instagram influencers to skyrocket their brand visibility and sales. Instead of traditional celebrity endorsements, they engaged with micro-influencers, creating a more authentic connection with potential customers. Finally, personalization is a trend that's here to stay. Amazon has been at the forefront of this, offering product recommendations based on user behavior and preferences. This level of customization has resulted in increased customer satisfaction and loyalty, setting a new benchmark for other brands to follow. In conclusion, digital marketing is a dynamic landscape, constantly being reshaped by emerging trends and innovations. From content marketing to AI, AR, and VR, voice search, influencer marketing, and personalization, these trends are revolutionizing the way brands interact with consumers. Remember, it's not about jumping on every trend that comes along. It's about understanding your audience, recognizing what works for your brand, and leveraging these trends to create meaningful connections with your customers. As we navigate the complex world of digital marketing, one thing is clear: the only constant is change.